Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm doing a collaboration with DANNA'S Art in Motion. I hope I said your name right. I think I did. We're doing just a fun collab where we're going to do, we kind of went back and forth on what to do, so we decided that I'm going to use a black base. She's going to use a white base. And we can do any technique, any size canvas, and we're going to use fluorescent and neon colors. So, and she's going to be on before me, and I will put her link in the description. So if you haven't already, please go and check her channel out. She's an amazing artist. She does some really beautiful work. I'm sure that you've probably have heard of her, but if you haven't, go and check her out because she's amazing. So I'm going to start off the colors I'm using. I'm going to use black Artist Flow Acrylic. Artist Flow Acrylic black. Oh gosh, can't even talk. Blinkrylic's Florescent Violet. And Blinkrylic's Florescent Blue, Artist Lofts Neon Orange, Artist Lofts Neon Pink, Liquitex Basics Fluorescent Green, and Liquitex Basics Fluorescent Yellow. And I'm probably going to do some smearing and some, I don't know, we'll just see however it goes. What I'm going to do, kind of don't really have a set plan in mind quite yet. I'm just figuring I'm going to just get going and go with the flow. I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Look at how pretty that is. I'm just trying to hold it at a little bit of an angle so I don't get that light from the ceiling on there yet. But just look at those cells. That lacing is beautiful. The colors are so vibrant. I love it. It really pops on the black. Just beautiful. I'm really happy with this one. This one was fun. Oof, that light. And I know if I turn it off, though, it's going to be too dark in here. But it looks gorgeous. But I do thank everybody for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Comments. Watching my videos helps my channel grow, and I do appreciate you guys for all your support. If you're new, welcome, welcome. I hope you enjoyed it. You will like and subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I put up my next videos, which is usually on Sunday and Wednesday, and then a random one here or there throughout the week if I do a collab with somebody on a different day. But yeah. But thanks, Dana, for doing the collab with me. If y'all don't know or haven't been to her channel yet, please go. She's an amazing artist. Her work is just beautiful. So, and she's the sweetest person ever. Really fun to talk to. She's from Texas. Yeah, so check her out. I do thank you so much for doing the collab with me. It was a lot of fun. Took us a while to get it done because life happens, but I'm glad we finally got it together and we were able to get it going. And this is fun with the neon colors or fluorescent colors. So she's doing hers on white though, and any technique she wants to do. So check her out. It's going to be fun. I'll put a link in the description for her channel so you can go ahead and click it. It'll take you right to her. But I do appreciate everybody. I hope everybody's being healthy and safe from COVID. And I appreciate you guys, all your support. If you're new, I don't know if I already said this or not, but welcome, welcome. Hit that notification bell. Like and subscribe and share if you would. And if you're returning, I love you guys so much. Your comments are so amazing. They mean so much to me. They just make my heart smile. But I thank everybody for watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.